The Whimsical Wind. A short moral story. In a quiet village by the hills, there lived a playful wind named Wisp. Wisp loved to dance through the trees, scatter flower petals, and tug at laundry hanging on clotheslines. The villagers often chuckled at Wisp's tricks, but sometimes, Wisp got carried away. One sunny afternoon, Wisp decided to have even more fun. He blew harder than usual, sending hats flying, papers swirling, and even tipping over market stalls. The villagers grew upset and shouted at the sky, "Enough, Wisp!" Feeling hurt, Wisp hid behind the clouds. Without the breeze, the village grew unbearably hot and still. The trees drooped, the river barely moved, and even the air felt heavy. Realizing they missed Wisp's gentle touch, the villagers called out, "Come back, Wisp! But please, be kind." Wisp returned, this time softer and more careful. He cooled their faces, spun their windmills, and played only little pranks that made everyone smile. From then on, Wisp was loved and welcomed, and he learned that too much mischief could turn joy into trouble. Moral: playfulness is wonderful, but it must be balanced with kindness and care. Thank you for watching.